Hello everyone, in this video I'm talking about recently released action camera from GoPro, specifically GoPro Hero 7 Black. In the background you can see a part of my walk in the park using the newest functions of GoPro camera. In the first part I will unpack and find out what's inside the box of newly bought camera. Afterwards I will present a couple of movie clips where instead of crispy nice shots I will focus on harder real-life conditions, and I'm really interested how the camera will face them. The package contains on top of the camera also USB Type-C cable for file transfer and battery charging. Battery first and second sticker that can be mounted, for example, on a helmet. There are also a couple of papers, but who reads them anyway? And here we go, the camera. Let me unscrew the camera and a little bit more. And finally, there is the camera inside the case. The bad thing is that when you run out of power, that happens pretty quickly here, you have to remove the camera from the case, swap the battery and return the camera back to the case. This takes some time, during which you can miss an important moment. So this is our camera. Let's jump to the videos with their details. Night walk through the street with high ISO 1600 is not optimal, but I have seen worse. The second video demonstrates a time warp function with 5 times speed, which even due to bad light makes a good impression on me. Third video is again time warp, this time just double speed. Here you can see the stabilization is not good. Another thing is the flare that should have been fixed compared to previous GoPro Hero 6. Next video shows nice time warp with 15 times speed, again just the light is not as good. The fifth test is a night time-lapse. I was really sad from the result and I highly recommend to set fixed white balance to prevent blinking. Sixth video with 5 times speed, time warp was created during day walk through the park. 30 times speed time warp looks really impressive and can be used in multiple ways during video creation. And finally, a couple of 4K videos with 60 frames per second. The Hypersmooth function is really well stabilizing the video. Also, I like the colors and the ability to show nice details of dark and bright parts of the same video. The only thing that is not part of the video is the shooting in slow motion. I don't expect any issues with this, however, if interested, I have created another video in the description where you can see them as well. So let me summarize my impression from the new GoPro action camera Hero 7 Black. It is really good camera for a wide audience. It can be easily used and it is really simple to change the settings and modes. From my point of view, mainly the night video and photos are far from being equal to DSLR or mirrorless cameras, but on the other hand, these are not as compact and easily usable during multiple different, mainly sport activities. You can also subscribe the channel to do not miss future videos. Thank you for watching.